I recently got involved. I told you I do part-time auditing. I recently got involved in a project, and there
Okay.
was a specific system that we are going to audit, and I had to do some research on the system, and someone suggested to me, why don't you put this in AI and ask about the system to know more. And you know what? I just typed the system, and everything came in, and I was like, wow. Thank you, digitalization.
Wow.
Well, so
Mm,
back onto the question. I also had
mm,
something for this. So for the plan do check act specifically, we can break it down on all the phases because I want to get it right. I would like our public to actually share this knowledge and really understand the plan do check act, how it can synchronize with our system. So right into the plan. So instead of the annual risk assessment based on static documents, we can use real-time
mm,
data from sensors, maybe technologies such as even
mm,
watches for those maybe in the health field. You can have watches that collect this data. Then incident reports can be dynamic. That is in the systems, in the organizations where I work, the client actually has a software that uploads an
mm,
incident and it makes the report automatically, and then it continues, does risk profiling. The plan becomes a living
mm,
document that updates it. So I've worked with organizations. I've been lucky to work with the Diageo system, and now working with our client Total Energies. They have systems
mm,
that synchronize some of the statistics they use. So in the planning phase, these big organizations actually have people, experienced technology people who come up with systems that can synchronize this information, this data, collecting this data. All this is in the planning phase. You can also do it on a small scale. However, you may not have the finances to come up with to pay for these systems, but you can have standard requirement statistics that you wish to collect that you can just continue collecting, have someone or filling just a few information and have even as simple as an Excel file that is filled regularly and then it compiles the data. Excel is quite a vast software that can do quite a lot if done by the right person. Then when you go to the do phase, we can deliver information and training just in time. Our worker scans such as a QR code, a new piece of equipment, a 2-minute safety briefing videos on the mobile phone. We have the best trainings actually nowadays are done giving videos. There's a time where there was a safety moment. Someone showed a video of an incident in a project. All these are safety tools you can use. Mr. Ronald talked about Bopol. This information you can project it in a screen. We have the likes of the UK. They have CDC that does investigations. They can break down the incident root causes for you, and you use technology to have the list of the incidents. That is all technology. Then when you go to the check, this is where the revolution is. Instead of manual audits or
mm,
lengthy data analysis, we'll have dashboards
mm.
that show us leading indicators in real time. AI could analyze thousands of safety observation reports to identify emerging trends that human would miss. Remote audits using drones or live videos give more frequent and less disruption snapshots, videos. So in the check, you can have, I saw actually in LinkedIn, there is a video that could identify someone is not putting on
Mm.
PPE and send the data right to
Yes,
maybe the
yes, yes,
safety
yes.
manager.
Yeah.
Things like that. You could have this in place for smart systems in organizations, maybe in process safety, where you have organization. You can put these cameras right in place. All this technology make work easy.